Can I be honest with you? Sales on eBay have been shocking, almost non-existent, which is absolutely unusual for me. As you know, I am full-time. This is my sole income for the family and for the house. So I need income to consistently keep coming in month on month. I could probably get by one shocking month, but 2 months of shocking sales, I don't think I could survive. So this channel, I document obviously the good stuff, but we're going to get real now. Sales have been very, very poor over the past week. Done a bit of research and I've done something that has kick-started my store back up, and this is what I've done. So welcome back to the channel, Tatsters. My name is Robjohns, this is Retro Reselling, and I'm a full-time reseller. I buy stuff mainly second-hand from boot sales, charity shops, auctions, wherever I go and get it from. I then list it online, sell it online for a profit. That is my business. I've been full-time doing this for 5 years now. And I haven't had sales this quiet since I very first started, literally with a few dozen listings. It's not just sales, it was views, it was watches. Even when I was listing new fresh items, the views weren't going up very much. I was hardly getting any watches. And it seems to be not just me, it is quite a few of you out there. It's like, okay, right, we're in November, should be Christmas time, people should be buying more. I've done a bit more research and eBay have introduced some more updates. Of course, well timed when it's going to be at its busiest. eBay have been tinkering. If I can show you my graph here, things were going along quite smoothly. And then here, I had £166 a day, and then £26, 59, 27, 55, 83, £0 there, and then a £37 day. These numbers might seem like okay to some of you, but remember, this is me full time. Them numbers ain't gonna cut it. They ain't gonna pay the bills. I aim personally at least £100 every day if I can. So these numbers are like, this £26 day is like a fifth down on what my target is. So very worrying, and I was listing new stuff. So this is what I've done. I didn't even realise you could do this until the other day, so this was brand new to me. I don't know why I haven't heard of it before, but I'm going to share it with you now. So if you are having slow sales, you've got a nice lot of listings, try this out. It takes a couple of minutes to do, and it definitely helped my store. So what we're going to do is, we're going to go into our active listings, but before you do that, you want to check your unsolds, because we'll be basically delisting a lot of items that are active and then relisting them, or sell similar. So here I have one that's unsold, but it's sold on Vinted using zip sale. So I just need to remember not to tick this box. I don't want it to sell similar, or I don't want it to relist, because obviously it's already sold. And if you've got some that are unsold and you don't need to relist them at all, then you can just click the box and delete them. So once you've done that, you go back to your active listings, and in here we have all different kinds of categories. You can customize the table up here, and you can tick the boxes with what columns you want. This is what I've chosen, but the most important one you need is the start date. And then save. And here's all your active listings down here, and then we'll go to start date. And if you click it, it will sort by the newest, but if you click it again, it will sort by the oldest. Now, because I've done this recently, my oldest listing is only back in August. Like I say, I have a 3-month sort of plan. When I buy it, or when I list items, I want them to sell within 3 months ideally. Then after that, I need to start tinkering. You can do 200 at a time, which is really good. And I've only done this recently, but I still do 25 here. So let's drop down 25, 50, 100, 200 on one page. I just do this 25, and then you can select all up here, so you don't have to go through ticking each box. Just double check. You want to deactivate all of these, or delist them. Once you've had a double check, actions and end listings. Bosh. It'll just make sure you want to, all 25, end. Just like that, it's taken down all the 25 I've just ticked. 205 listings left, which is right. And then we're going to simply go back to unsold, so they should all be sitting in there. So I had one left over, remember, I need to try and remember to not include. So we'll tick the box again, so it selects them all, and then I'll go down and deselect that one because it's already sold. And we're going to not relist. This is the trick here. If we just relist, it's going to use basically, or eBay's going to see it as that same item you've just taken down and you've just relisted it. We're going to sell similar. So this will create a brand new item number, and eBay's going to see this as a brand new item, brand new shiny item, like, wow, let's promote this to everyone. Whereas the old dregs, it's going to fade away, go down the search results as it gets older and older. So this is this idea, it's going to boost your older listings and it's going to look like brand new listings. So once you've ticked them all in your unsolds, you simply go to sell similar, and then it will bring them up in a list once you sign in. It'll bring you to this table, the bulk sort of edit table. And here, if you do want to make any adjustments, like me personally, I ticked them all again and then I edited, went to price, quantity and best offer, and I add best offer to everything. Obviously it's older stock. I want it to get selling, I want it to start moving, get my money back. So I do use the best offer when it's been lingering around for a while. Save and close, so that's my personal change. You don't have to do that. But if you are trying to move slow stock, then it probably is a good idea to add that on. And once you're happy, you simply submit all and it's gonna list all 25. Obviously, again, sell similar, not relist. Relist is just gonna relist the same old listing, sell similar, brand new item number, brand new listing, and it should promote it. Successfully listed. We'll just double check now, go back to active, and I should have what I had before. 330 listings, and if we go to start date, refresh it to the newest, here we go, 5th of November, which is today, and all them ones I've just taken down are now back up on eBay. And eBay's gonna think, hello, we've got a nice lot of new stuff here, and it will start promoting them, boosting them up the rankings because it's brand new items. I was a bit dubious at this at first, but I went to my performance and I went to my traffic. So here we've got impressions, sort of similar, and this is what was affecting my sales. Not many views, not many watchers, sales. And then the day that I do this sell similar, bosh, look at this one right up here. So if that's not proof this doesn't work, then I don't know what is. Same again down here, page views. Again, similar down. If there's one like going up, it's not very far bigger than the others. Right down here on this one, this is the 22nd of October. And again, the day that I do sell similar, bang. Look at the height on that one. That is the highest it is on this whole page here for October. And again, this was yesterday, day before when I done it, and then yesterday, still up high. So it's definitely has to show that sell similar in bulk definitely works. It drives traffic, it drives sales. Because again, down here, quantity sold. Then a nice lot of sales here in the middle of October, and then here, start of November, end of October, really slowed down, tiny bars. No bar there at all. I had a no sales day, which is quite rare. And then the day I do it, again, nice lot of quantity sold, and sales are going well again today. From 0 sales to £20, £30 days, I suddenly, yesterday, had a £322 day, like that. And today, so far, I'm on 114. So, thankfully, it looks like I'm back in business. No getting an employed job for me just yet. I'm still in the game. But yeah, try this out if you're having slow sales, or even if sales are going quite well. Maybe try this for your old stock. I know a few of you have like a few hundred listings, maybe even 1,000 listings and more. Do this method and that should help release some of your old stock. Hopefully get sales, even boost page views so other things will sell. Highly recommend trying this out. It takes a couple of minutes. Just obviously make sure on your unsold you're not relisting something that's sold already. Let me down in the comments below if you've tried this already, or if you tried this after the video. Let me know your feedback. It'd be good to know how you get on. So that's your homework for this weekend. Give it a go. I'll see you in the next video. See you later.